Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable the Head of STKIP Muhammadiyah Bogor, Dr. Haji Edi Sukardi MPD, the Honorable the Head of English Education Department, Ms. Meita Lesmiati Hasyar, SSMPD, the Honorable my advisors, Mr. Rudi Haryono, SSMPD, and Ms. Meita Lesmiati Hasyar, SSMPD, the Honorable the examiners, Ms. Irma Wahyuni, SSMPD, and Ms. Rina Septiana Sari, SPD MA. My name is Yuliani Rahma, the student of English Education Department. Today, I would like to present my proposal writing, and the title is An Analysis of High Order Thinking Skill HOTS in Reading Exercise of English Foreign Language Textbook for 11th grade of senior high school. There are 3 chapters on my proposal writing. Chapter 1, Background of the Study. Reading is one of English skills that students have to comprehend. In reading teaching learning process, textbook plays important in teaching learning process. However, many critiques come from some experts about textbook use in education. The critique is the textbook not present the needs of the student. And in English teaching learning process, Indonesia's curriculum has been changed to be 2013's curriculum, and the focus is how to develop students in thinking skill. In textbook, there are much of critical thinking, and it makes the teachers have to analyze the composition of high-order thinking skill in the reading exercise to understand what students must do before doing the exercise. But nowadays, the teachers do not analyze the composition of high-order thinking skill in reading exercise. Because of those reasons, the writer will conduct the study about high-order thinking skill in reading exercise. The problems of this study will focus on how is the distribution of high-order thinking skill in reading exercise in Bahasa Inggris textbook for 11th grade of senior high school. Types of reading exercise. Crowley and Merritt tell the types of reading exercise that can be used, such as identifying detail or facts, recognizing main ideas, identify cause and effect, drawing inference, and critical reading. In another theory explain of high-order thinking skill from Anderson and Krathwohl have revised Bloom taxonomy. The categories in cognitive domain of HOTS it only 3 levels. First is analyze, second is evaluating, and the third is creating. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. The object of the research is reading exercise in Bahasa Inggris textbook for 11th grade of senior high school and will focus on essay questions. Research method. In this study, the writer will use the content analysis method. The writer will analyze the content of the textbook. This study uses qualitative data because the data in the form of words that essay question in reading exercise from Bahasa Inggris textbook. In the collecting the data, the writer use the checklist table, and the writer lists all essays question from reading exercise after reading the reading text. And also the writer sorts all reading exercise according to chapter 1 until the last chapter. Research instrument. The first instrument is Bahasa Inggris textbook for 11th grade of Senior High School by Kementerian Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Republik Indonesia and correlate with 2013 curriculum. The next is data analysis. In this research, the writer will use qualitative data analysis according to Miles. First is data reduction. Data display. In processing the data, writer use content analysis checklist and compare it to analysis card. The last step is conclusion and verification. Okay, that's all my presentation today. Before I close my presentation, I will give the conclusion, and the conclusion is analysis the textbook is important for us. That's why I, as the writer, will conduct this research. Thank you very much for this change. I hope my presentation will be helpful and useful for you. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.